So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces and Moon Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Hanged Man. Someone is able to see things from a different perspective now, although this person is feeling stuck. But because of this stuck energies, now this person is able to see things from a different perspective, from a very clear cut perspective. Now they are able to see everything like a crystal clear thing. Okay, let's clarify the Hanged Man. We have the Fool, the Five of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, right? So, Pisces, this is someone who feels like taking the leap of faith with you, but at the same time, they are too scared or too much in regret or too much in guilt that they can't come forward. So, this is someone who definitely feels like taking the leap of faith towards you, taking some kind of risk in this direction, but at the same time, they are too much in regret or too much in guilt, or they are in this energy of this is never going to happen between me and Pisces. I will never be able to provide them something solid on the table, even if I want to, because there's too much damage done, or they're realizing something. They have a heavy guilt, or they are having a heavy regret in this direction, and now they are realizing what they have done, or what damage has been done in the situation. Now they are realizing it. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Six of Cups, you miss this person like crazy. You miss this person, you miss their presence, you miss all the good memories that you guys had together. I think you're routing for reconciliation or wanting to have them back, but some kind of huge damage has been done. I don't know what is that, but something here is off. Let's clarify the Six of Cups. We have the Empress, the Six of Cups, the Four of Pentacles. Yes, I'm telling you, you feel like having this person back in your life. You feel like you guys have the potential to become something really big, to create something really beautiful together. But at the same time, you're holding on to this energy of, okay, let's not tell this to anybody. Let's not tell this to this particular person, especially that you're attached to. You miss this person like crazy. You still feel like their presence around you. You feel like you and them had the potential to become something really beautiful, but at the same time you're holding on to this energy of maybe later, if not right now, maybe later. And you are in this energy of not letting this feeling of yours get known to be known to anything or anyone. It's like keeping it to yourself. Hmm. You're hoping for a reconciliation, coming together, coming back together in a very positive way, but at the same time you're not very confident about it that it is going to happen, but at the same time you feel like maybe later. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Just give me a second. Yeah, let's see what are their intentions. Star card. This person wants to remain optimistic and positive and remain hopeful in this direction that someday everything is going to be fine. This person is still feeling a thread attached to you, a cord attached to you. This person wants to heal the situation. They want to remain open and optimistic in this direction. Okay, let's clarify the star. Let's see. We have the five of swords, the two of cups, five of swords, the two of cups, the page of cups. Yes, this person wants to let go of the ego, let go of the mind games, let go of their anger, let go of their frustration, and they want to come towards you with a clean heart, with a beautiful energy of, okay, let's make this work out now. They have a lot of regret, they have a lot of guilt and regret, and they have a lot of this energy of they did something wrong here. I don't know what. So they have guilt, they have regret, they have this knowing that they did something wrong here, they messed up, they fucked up, or both of you messed up or fucked up, or whatever it is. But they want to come towards you with a clean energy, with an open heart, that we can sort it out. But not right now. Because right now they are going through this process of guilt or regret or thinking about it or whatever happened. And then they want to come towards you when they are going to be in a very clean and fresh and childlike energy. And then they want to provide you something, some kind of a brand new beginning. Okay, this is their plan. So this, they have a plan, they have a plan to come back around, and they have a plan to make this work out, but not right now. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Page of wands. I think you just want to keep it casual, or you just want to start it from a friendship kind of a deal, from this energy of, okay, let's have fun, let's hang out together, let's be friends only, and let's see what we can do about it in the future. Okay, let's clarify the page of wands. We have the two of cups, two of pentacles, seven of cups, and the king of pentacles, right? See, because you are not sure, you are not sure about the future direction of the situation, you are lost and confused in this direction. You are in this energy of, okay, let's stay in touch, or let's keep the situation casual, and let's see, maybe in the future it can become something stable. So let's go with the flow, let's keep your options open, and let's explore other option, other things, and other situations too. It's not always about romantic options. Sometimes it's like, okay, let's do something else, let's uh, maybe write a book, write poems, or do something else, or whatever it is. So you're right now in this energy of keeping things casual, keeping things calm and composed, because you are lost and confused, and you are in this energy of, okay, let me figure it out one day at a time, and let me do other things as well, and let's see where it can go, right? This is what you want. You want to make it work out, but at the same time, again, you just want to keep it casual, keep it calm, keep it down, at least for the time being. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of August. What can happen, what can come out of this. We have the seven of pentacles. I do see some kind of results coming out. It's like something coming out in your favor, something happening in your favor. It's going to be very like little bit of improvement, but it is going to be an improvement. Okay, let's clarify the seven of pentacles here. We have the page of pentacles, the hierophant, and the four of cups. I do see somebody coming towards you with some kind of offer, but you're not going to be interested in that, or you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let's take this offer as well, and let's see how it goes, very slowly. It's like somebody new trying to enter in your life, a totally new energy. It could be like just a friendship kind of a deal, or a business kind of a deal that can convert into something meaningful in the coming future. So somebody or something totally fresh is entering in your life that you're not going to be interested in at all, 0% interest, but slowly but surely this has the potential to become something really beautiful in the coming future. So basically, the universe, in the outcome, the universe is telling me that something or someone is coming towards you, like something fresh or someone fresh is coming towards you with a clean energy. You might not be interested in them right now, but it has the potential to give you something really good in the coming future, whether it's a romantic deal or a deal of work or job or career or whatever it is. But it has the potential to make you go to the level of stability or commitment in the coming future. Not right now, but in the coming future. So something fresh is something totally fresh, or someone totally fresh is coming towards you, and you might not be interested in that. Don't reject this. Don't reject the idea of even being friends with this person, or even being in this energy of, okay, let's stay in touch kind of a deal, because again something is coming towards you. The universe is sending this person or this energy towards you as a blessing. I don't know how, but it is a blessing. It's like a blessing coming towards you. You will be able to come out of this chaos, this conflict, or this whatever is going on inside of you right now because of this particular person or energy. Hmm? Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys in the situation, Pisces. We have the moon, the emperor, and the five of pentacles in reverse. Okay, Pisces, this is your energy. You have to take the charge of the situation in your hands. You have to sit on the throne, and you have to decide for the future direction of your life, where you want to go, what you want to do, and what you can do, and what you should not do. Okay, in order to come out of this victim mentality of yours, like, okay, I always feel left out in the cold, I always get betrayed in love, I never get love, I never get good people, good energies around me. So that is why the universe is sending you fresh energy around you, because you have to get out of this victim mentality, this feeling like lost and confused, and this feeling like left out in the cold kind of mentality. Because someone is definitely going to change your perspective or help you to change your perspective in some way, shape, or form in the coming future. So don't restrict yourself from connecting with new people, new energies, new things. Again, it can be a blessing, it can be a lesson, I don't know, but this is something that is definitely has the power to change your life in the best way possible when it comes to your love and relationship area, and getting out of some kind of limiting belief. Okay, honey, yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.